Does your Sumitomo SH330-5 feel weak? Maybe it struggles to dig, the arm moves slowly, the boom feels lazy, or the engine bogs down under load. Before replacing expensive pumps, motors, or control valve parts, there is one thing you should check first: the main hydraulic relief pressure. In this video, we'll look at how the Sumitomo SH330-5, SH330-5, SH350-HD5, and SH350-HD5 workshop manual explains hydraulic pressure testing in main relief pressure adjustment. The manual gives the hydraulic equipment specifications, including the main relief pressure values. Standard main relief pressure is listed as 34.3 MPa, or 343 bar. With pressure boost active, the value is listed as 37.3 MPa, or 373 bar. If your machine is below the correct pressure, hydraulic functions can feel weak. If pressure is too high, hoses and hydraulic components can be overloaded. That is why testing pressure correctly matters before guessing at parts. Before measuring pressure, prepare the machine safely. Use the correct gauges, warm the hydraulic oil to the proper operating temperature, and release trapped pressure from the hydraulic circuits according to the service manual procedure. The manual also explains how to use the monitor service support screen. The monitor can display P1 and P2 pressures, which helps during diagnosis. This is useful because it lets you see hydraulic pressure behavior while operating the machine. For direct measurement, the pressure gauge is connected at the hydraulic pump pressure measuring ports. The manual identifies ports such as P1, P2, N1, N2, and P3. P1 and P2 are used for the front and rear pump pressure readings. The control valve page shows the location of the main relief valve and the adjusting screws. This is where the actual pressure setting is adjusted. The workshop manual identifies the standard pressure adjustment and the pressure boost adjustment separately. To measure main relief pressure, start the engine and set the machine to the correct work mode and engine speed. Then stall the correct hydraulic function so the relief valve opens. The pressure gauge should rise to the relief setting and hold steady. For P1 pump testing, the manual uses operations such as arm in, arm out, swing, or one travel motor. For P2 pump testing, it uses operations such as boom up, bucket close, or the other travel motor. The important point is to compare the observed pressure with the manual's standard values. If the measured pressure is low, the machine may feel weak even when the pump is still capable of working. If the pressure is correct but the machine is still slow, then pump flow measurement becomes the next important test. The manual also includes swing pressure measurement. For swing testing, the swing lock procedure is used, and the swing relief pressure is checked separately. This is important because a weak swing function may not always mean the main pump is bad. For main relief pressure adjustment, the manual explains how to isolate the pressure boost signal and adjust the relief valve carefully. The boost pressure is adjusted first, then the standard pressure is adjusted. Clockwise adjustment increases pressure, and counterclockwise adjustment decreases pressure. The key is to adjust gradually and always recheck the reading. Do not simply turn the screw randomly. A small adjustment can make a major difference in hydraulic pressure. After setting boost pressure, adjust the standard relief pressure. The target values from the manual are 37.3 MPa for boosted pressure and 34.3 MPa for standard pressure. The manual also points to pilot pressure. If main pressure is correct but the machine still feels slow or unresponsive, pilot pressure should also be checked. The pilot pressure reference is 3.9 MPa at port P3. Finally, use the performance measurement entry table to record and compare the machine's actual performance. Boom speed, arm speed, bucket speed, swing speed, and travel speed all help confirm whether the machine is performing normally. This is why the factory workshop manual is so important. It gives the pressure values, test ports, adjustment method, and performance checks needed to diagnose weak hydraulics properly. For the complete Sumitomo SH330-5, SH330-5, SH350-HD5, and SH350-HD5 workshop manual, visit www.heydownloads.com.